What does that even mean?
Oh, you'd be like a cool person.
Connected the call?
Yeah, to the monkey salesman.
I'll be cool with him. I'm not gonna mess with him. I'm gonna be serious. I'm talking business. I'm going straight into business.
Yeah.
Don't you think he's probably a little suspicious by now?
I'll handle him, dude.
Let's not. He's a monkey salesman, alright? His life is bananas.
He's ready to do business.
I'm surprised he didn't say, I'm not here for any monkey business. Because I would have said, what?
That's fine.
That's your whole
You should
job.
say that.
It doesn't make sense.
Oh, you don't have time to monkey around?
What is this? Some sort of banana republic?